Okay, county noero ma Siaya koro to Siro lwedo gai mar Azimio moluor Raila Odinga laro kom kere kanyakla kod seneta ma county ma Siaya migosi James Orengo ma bende koro chung laro kom governor ma Siaya kono ero ka giwacho ni jotelo ariyo go eko biro konyo neno ni omenda wuok e piny owacho mamalo nyaka e piny owacho kata mago mag counties ne chwalo dongruoge mopogore e kor gwenge. Bende jolony go eko wacho ni jo Siaya biro yudo dongruoge mathoth e bwo telo mano ero mar moluor Raila Odinga ka ker kod governor migosi James Orengo kata ka governor poni jotelo go eko obio yudo telo magimanyo e tok yiero ma tarik 9 dwe manyien.
And the special interest groups. I always tell people that Siaya is a county of legends. And Orengo James is one of the living legends. History will tell you that you call people legends when they're dead, but I think that's wrong. You can have living legends.
Governance is key. And if we can make that possible, I think we can build Siaya to greatness and to contribute to the Kenyan dream that we are going to realize on the 9th of August of this year. And for the people of Siaya, I want to say that we want to leverage on the leadership of Raila Odinga.
But we are also not going to radically disrupt. But we will make significant improvements in Siaya County. Makofi ya